Kraft is the biggest company of its kind in the US and second worldwide. 1 billion of its products are consumed daily in over 170 countries, with 40 of its brands being at least a century old. 12 of its brands annually earn more than £1 billion worldwide. It has 2 company headquarters, one in Switzerland and one in Chicago. Kraft believes change is necessary with innovation, adaptation, growth, and resource acquisition. The rational goal model demonstrates a stable, long-term, and effective management structure. Examples will be explained through the pestle and SWOT analysis. Hello and welcome to Kraft Foods' annual online Board of Directors review. We're going to discuss this year's pestle analysis and our strengths and weaknesses. I'm Jessica Parsons.
I'm Sophie Nguyen.
And I'm Mead.
Today I'm going to talk about political. Kraft Food makes corporate contribution to political committees, candidates and parties. We determine which candidates to support. Positions on public policies, issues important to Kraft Foods, the presence of Kraft Food employees of facilities in candidate districts.
Environmentally, we have steady progress in goals since 2005. Our goals by 2015 include an increase in sustainable sourcing of agriculture commodities by 25%, to eliminate 50,000 metric tonnes of packaging, reduce energy carbon dioxide in manufacturing plants by 15%, to reduce water consumption and waste management in manufacturing by 15%, and to reduce 50 million miles off our transport network.
Okay, I'm going to talk about socio-cultural. Based on what our consumers tell us they want, we focus our efforts on 3 areas. Foods with less fat, sodium, sugar and calories. Food with more beneficial ingredients such as whole grain, fibre, healthier oils and micronutrients, and foods that are simpler with easier to understand ingredients. We're the leading purchaser of sustainable cocoa, coffee and cashews, working alongside CARE to improve the lives of those in poor communities through savings education. Responsible advertising. We don't advertise to children under 6 or in primary and secondary schools. I'm also going to talk about the technological side. We have nutrition information available online via toll-free call centres. We've got healthy living websites in several countries with tips and recipes. Good eating, good living websites and people living with diabetes. We've got biscuit and tiger fortified biscuits that help Indonesian mums ensure their kids get the right vitamins and minerals to grow up strong and to their full potential.
Legally, Kraft Food comply with all health standards, including allergen information, safety and quality regulations. Kraft Foods and Kraft Pack comply with all of campaign finances and disclosure laws.
Okay, I'm going to talk about economic. An article once stated, Cadbury is cutting down the size of dairy milk bars and is blaming economic reasons for the decision to downsize. We say it's having to slash the size of its products because if it didn't, prices would have to rise. The economic well-being of farmers and farmers' communities is of great importance, and the health of ecosystems. We can influence the future. Packaging is one of the first and last experience customers have with our products. That's why we've taken a comprehensive approach to packaging, one that cuts waste, conserves natural resources and gives you SWOT analysis. In terms of strengths, we have high revenue production. We are number 1 in snacks. Kraft brands are well known and it tastes great and less filling. In terms of weaknesses, we have difficulty launching new brands, growth depends on acquisitions. Over to Jessica.
Our company has a few opportunities, such as mergers. Our Cadbury merger means that we have distribution in markets such as India, Brazil and Mexico. We also have a beverage market and China's market. We have good management, sector diversification and splits. We also have a few threats, which is our competition, mergers between existing competitors. We have bad management and bad press coverage, such as recalled products. And the cost of our mergers affects the company as well.
Okay, thank you for listening to us today, and that sums up our yearly report.
Thank you.
Bye.
Kraft Food Foundation have nutritious foods available in schools and communities to combat high rates of malnutrition in young children, providing thousands of Brazilians' most vulnerable youth with the knowledge they need for good health. To move forward and progress as a company, it is necessary for us to have a stronger grasp on the internal process model, which focuses on documentation, information management, stability and control. The sheer size of our company makes this a difficult task, but as the Board of Directors and CEOs, we will have full control and awareness over it. Market responsibility is our code of conduct. As founding member of the International Food and Beverage Alliance, and along with other members, we made a global commitment to the World Health Organization to advertise only products that meet specific nutrition criteria to children under the age of 12. Thank you for watching Kraft Food 2012.